Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable Adobe Acrobat DC auto updates on Windows. If Acrobat keeps updating automatically, slowing down your system or causing unexpected pop-ups, this tutorial will help you stop that completely. So let's get started. In the first method, simply search for Task Scheduler and open it. Here you will get Adobe Acrobat Update Task. Simply right click over it and click on Disable. In the next method, search for Services and open it. From here, double click on the Adobe Acrobat Update service. Set the startup type to Disabled. Stop the service if it is running and save the change. In the next method, search for Registry Editor and open it. Now go to the video description and copy this registry location from there. Paste it in the address bar of Registry Editor and hit enter. Here under the Acrobat key, you will get alphanumeric key. Simply click on it and double click on mode and set the value data from 3 to 0 and save the change. Additionally, you can also perform these steps as shown in the screen to disable the automatically install updates option in Adobe Acrobat. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.